Hello friends, it's 25th September today, and I had uploaded a video a day ago in which I had given reference to my talk with Dr. Sanyam Bhardwaj and what he said to me that he is coming out with a circular which was supposed to be issued yesterday, has not been issued till now, and like all of you, even I am curious to know why it has not been issued. But as you know, that CBSE is a very busy organization. Likewise, Dr. Bhardwaj is also very busy person. There may be some delay because of any XYZ reason, which is very much obvious. So we must not make an issue of it. Once he has said that circular will be issued, it will be issued. But in the meanwhile, there is a recent update which I wanted to share with all of you so that you can feel even more relaxed. I have come to know from a few of my friends who have already finalized the LOC work and have made the payment also, that there is no such option for uploading e-signature on the portal. The whole process is the same just as it was in the previous session. Once you finalize each and everything regarding LOC and finally submit the LOC, it will be submitted without any e-signatures. And then there will be option to pay the fee. You will be able to pay the fee also. Till then also there is no option for e-signatures. And once you have paid the fee, you will be able to generate the final printout of LOC, which will have the columns for signatures by the student, mother and father, and the undertaking by the principal. Each and everything is just the same as it was in the last session. And till finalization of LOC, till submission of fee payment and generation of final printout of LOC after fee payment, there is no option for any e-signatures or any signatures of students to be uploaded as it is mentioned in the circular. So if you feel okay about it, like those my friends who have finalized LOC and made the fee payment and have got the final printout, you can also proceed with the same process. Or if you want to wait for a day or two for the circular to be issued by CBSE as mentioned by Dr. Bhardwaj, you can wait for that also. The choice is yours. So this was the latest update. I thought I should bring it to your notice. If you like this video, please press the like button. And if you have any doubts, you can mention in the comment box. If you want more such videos in future, then please subscribe to my channel, Principal Rasik Gupta, and press the notification bell icon so that whenever I upload any such videos, any informative and knowledgeable videos in future, you get the notification at that very moment. Keep watching Principal Rasik Gupta. Thank you.